Good morning, dear students. We were talking about polyunsaturated hydrocarbons, and in that topic, we have picked some examples in which one double bond and one triple bond is present. Today, we will talk about the examples which contains more than one double bond, more than one triple bond. So, combination can be. Compounds can have two double bonds. Compounds can have two triple bonds. Compounds can have three double bonds. Compounds can have three triple bonds. It can be in any combination. So important thing is the use of primary suffix. If the unsaturated hydrocarbon contains two double bonds, then primary suffix used is adyne. If three triple bonds are present, then the primary suffix used is atrine. For two triple bonds, we use primary suffix adyne. Similarly, for three triple bonds, we use primary suffix atrine. Remember one thing, in all the four cases, letter A is there. This letter A will be used with the word root. It will be clear when we will solve some examples. So let us take some examples. Example number 1. CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH, double bond CH, single bond CH3. This polyunsaturated hydrocarbon contains two double bonds. So what we have to do? We have to assign numbers to the carbon atom present in the parent chain. And here we have to take care of one thing, that we will start our counting from the end, from where the sum of the position of the double bond will get the lowest number. Like, for example, in case number first, if I start my counting from right hand side, so this will be carbon number 1, this will be carbon number 2, this will be carbon number 3, this will be carbon number 4, and this will be carbon number 5. Now, at the position, first double bond is located on carbon number 2, second double bond is located between carbon number 4, so sum of the position of the double bond gets value 6. Now, let us start our counting from left hand side. It will be carbon number 1, it will be carbon number 2, it will be carbon number 3, it will be carbon number 4, and it will be carbon number 5. Now, at the position of the double bonds, so first double bond is located between 1 and 2, we will use the lowest number 1. So here it is 1 plus. Second double bond is located between carbon number 3 and carbon number 4. So here we will select the lowest number, that is 3. So here 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. So if we are starting our counting from right hand side, then the sum of the position of the double bond gets value 6. If we start our counting from left hand side, then sum of the position of the double bond gets value 4. Which is lowest? 4 is lowest. So we will not start our counting from right hand side, rather we will start our counting from left hand side. So in this case, right hand side numbering is incorrect, while left hand side numbering is correct. Now let us write the nomenclature of this compound. Word root for 5 carbon atom is pent. So here it is pent. Because two double bonds are there, so primary suffix used will be adyne. And I told you earlier also that A of adyne will be used with word root. So pent plus A becomes penta. So it's penta. Next part, position of a double bond. First double bond is located between 1 and 2. So use use the lowest number, that is 1. So it will be 1, comma. Always remember, between the number we have to use comma. Second double bond is located between 3 and 4. Use the lowest number, 3 is lowest, so it will be 1, comma 3 dash. Because two double bonds are there, so diene will be the primary suffix. So this is diene. So correct IUPAC nomenclature of this compound is penta 1, comma 3 diene. Now let us take case number second. Again, we have to start the numbering, or we have to assign numbers to the carbon atom of the parent chain. So if we start our counting from right hand side, it will be carbon number 1, it will be carbon number 2, it will be carbon number 3, it will be carbon number 4, it will be carbon number 5. At the position 1 plus 3 equals to 4. If we start our counting from right hand side. Now let us also check from left hand side. It will be carbon number 1, it will be carbon number 2, it will be carbon number 3, it will be carbon number 4, and it will be carbon number 5. First double bond is located between 2 and 3. Use the lowest number 2. So 2 is the position for the first double bond. Second double bond is located between 4 and 5. Use the lowest number 4. So 2 plus 4 equals to 6. So here, if we start our counting from right hand side, then sum of the position of the double bond get the lowest number, that is 4 here. So our numbering or assigning position to carbon atom from right hand side is correct, and from left hand side it is incorrect. So assigning position to carbon atom will be done from right hand side. Now the nomenclature according to right hand side numbering, total 5 carbon atom. So again penta will be the word root plus a from primary suffix. Now about the position. First double bond is located between 1 and 2. Use the lowest number 1, comma. Second double bond between 3 and 4. Use the lowest number 3. That is 3, and it is diene. So IUPAC nomenclature penta 1, comma 3 diene. So example number 1 and example number 2 are same. Now move to case number 3. Let us start our counting or numbering. Carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4, and carbon number 5. Sum of the position of double bond. 1 plus 4 equals to 5. Let us check from left hand side also. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. First double bond between 1 and 2. 1 plus. Second double bond between 4 and 5. 4 equals to 5. So from both the side, the sum of the position of the double bond get the same number. So we can go for right hand side counting, or we can go for left hand side counting. So we can follow either side. So the nomenclature of this compound, 5 carbon atom, word root will be penta dash. First double bond between 1 and 2. So 1, comma. Second double bond between 4 and 5. 4 dash. For two double bonds we will use primary suffix diene. Then comes case number 4, where we have 3 double bonds. Again we will go for the sum of the position of the double bonds. So let us check from right hand side. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. First double bond between 2 and 3. Use position 2. Second double bond between 4 and 5. Use position 4. Plus third double bond between 6 and 7. Use position 6. Now 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2 equals to 12. So the sum of the position of the double bond from right hand side getting 12. Let us take from left hand side also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Double bond first between 1 and 2. So here it is 1 plus. Second double bond between 3 and 4. It is 3 plus. Third double bond between 5 and 6. So lowest number 5. It is 5 equals to 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 1 equals to 9. So after 12 and 9, 9 is lowest. So we will avoid assigning numbers to carbon atom of the parent chain from right hand side. Rather, we will go for left hand side numbering. So according to left hand side numbering, the correct IUPAC nomenclature. Total 7 carbon atom. So word root used will be hep for 7 carbon atom. For 3, make a change here. It is 3 double bonds. For 3 double bonds, the primary suffix used is atoine. So A of primary suffix will be used with the word root hep. So hep becomes hepta. Now the position of the double bonds. So first double bond is at number 1. Second double bond is at number 3. And third double bond is at number 5. Dash trying. So it is trying. Last case containing 2 triple bonds. Again same rule we have to follow. Start our counting from right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Check the sum of the position of the triple bonds. First triple bond between 2 and 3. Use the lowest number 2. Plus second triple bond between 5 and 6. Use the lowest number 5. 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Now let us check from left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. First triple bond between 1 and 2. Use the lowest number 1. 1 plus second triple bond between 4 and 5. Use 4. 1 plus 4 equals to 5. So out of 7 and 5, 5 is lowest. So again here we will avoid assigning numbers to carbon atom from right hand side. Rather we will go for left hand side numbering. So according to left hand side numbering, the IUPAC nomenclature for this compound. Total 6 carbon atom. For 6 carbon atom, word root used will be hex. Now here we have 2 triple bonds. For 2 triple bonds, primary suffix used will be adiene. Y is there, E is there. A of adiene will be used with word root, so it becomes hexa dash. Position of the triple bonds. First triple bond between 1 and 2, use the lowest number 1, 1, then comma. Second triple bond between 4 and 5, use the lowest number 4, 4, dash. It will be diene. So here it is done. So it is all about the IUPAC nomenclature of polyunsaturated hydrocarbons. In next class, in next lecture, we will talk about IUPAC nomenclature of branched chain hydrocarbon. Thank you.